Lovely. So we got half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're gonna put it straight inside of the cup. And this is what you want to drink first thing in the morning when you wake up. Then we're going to squeeze. I'm gonna use all of my key lime. I'm gonna squeeze the key lime inside of it. Now, this is one of my medicine which I normally do in the morning. This does make the blood flow properly and you're healthy. Now, I'm going to put some water. Wow. I'm gonna say it looks like this. The beautiful thing is I'm drinking this on an empty stomach in the morning. Look at this. Sometimes I normally rinse out my cup. Cheers. Now, you can drink it for 5 morning. I can start on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's it. Cool off of it. And then next week, you drink apple cider vinegar. First thing in the morning. It's amazing, guys. Why not give it a try at home? It doesn't clean your blood, but what it do, it thinner your blood and make your blood free flowing in the morning. Very good for bacteria in your gut or in your stomach right there. Oh, it's amazing. Now, if you like it, you know exactly what to do. Make it at home. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.